For that, you need a full sheet of 8.5 by 11. Again, I've taken real red, put it in lengthwise, and you need to score this at 6. So you need to make sure that that's over there at 6. Score it. Then flip it this way. Score it at 1 3/4, at 5 1/4, at the 7 mark, and then 10 1/2. Okay. Then just one last thing is put it back this way, and we need to score it at 7 3/4. And I will just show you why. Because then I need you to cut just the second part. Again, lift it up and cut the second part. Now let me show you why. Because then you're going to take this and cut all the way down to here. Again, this shows it in the handout. Print that out and then watch my video and it will all make sense. Okay, and you cut all the way down to there. This one all the way down. Cut that a little bit. And then this last one, you actually want to cut off this whole piece. Okay? So you have 1, 2 little ones and 2 longer ones. Alright? Let me move my score now out of the way. Okay? Then I need you to put I decorate the front, so another piece of designer paper, and that is 3.5 by 5 3/4, and we're going to put that on, there's a little piece here. You don't want it on this one, you don't want it on the skinny piece, you want it on the neck piece, okay? So let me take this tape off for you. Okay, then you need your Crop-A-Dile, and there are 2 hole punches on either side. One is 3/16, one is an 1/8. I use the 1/8, and what you need to do is you need to punch holes so we can put our ribbon in. So I just punched 2 holes at the top, and then I go around to here and I punch in 2 more holes at this top. Okay, it's up to you though. The next thing, I'm going to take my flap and I'm going to put it underneath there. And you'll just see why. Kind of line it up. Then I take a pen and I mark where the holes are. Okay? Remove that. Use my Crop-A-Dile, and you know exactly where the holes have to go for this. Okay. Then I'm going to put some sticky strip and then you want to line up those holes to the back of this backpack. Then I take my ribbon and I use about 11 inches. Make sure both pieces are the exact same, 11 inches. And then you're going to thread that through these holes. Thicker looks nicer, but it's a little bit harder to get through your holes, but you can do it. And then just tie a knot on this side. That through. And to have a nice strength. And then do that for the other side. Okay, so there we have the 2 backpack strings. Now we're going to put this together. And to put this together, we need to put some sticky strip on 3 of the boxes, 3 of the flaps, okay? So let's put some on this one. Okay, so the one with the string, you don't put any sticky strip on, and I'll show you why in a second. So I just kind of put 2 things, one at the top, one at the bottom of the sticky strip. And very important that you also put one on this side of that little flap, okay? So again, on that side of the flap. Okay. So now I'm just going to take all the sticky strip off, the backing of the sticky strip off. Okay. Okay, now let's put this baby together. So the one that I didn't put any on, we need to have that up, and then the next one go over like that. Then you have another big one. Let's not put that one on right now. You're going to bring this one over. You're going to bring this one over, but also trying to stick this down. Okay, so goes along there, and then you put this one down, and then you put the last one down. Okay, so there's the boxes together. Then what you're going to do is kind of pinch in the sides, put the flap down. Okay, so you just kind of pinch in the sides. Can you kind of see that? Okay. So I'm going to put Velcro, let's first put a little bit of tape right on here. So I'm going to decorate this up a bit just like I did the other one. And I put a red button. But then I'm going to use my last Velcro that I got. Put that on here as well. There we go. So that's closed up. Now we're going to put that little pocket right at the front. So what you need to do is put some sticky strip on here. Empty. Have some here. Okay, so I got that off. I'm going to put this right on here. And there's your backpack, all done. Strings on the back. I could have probably used a little bit longer strings on the back, but that'll be fine. Those were 11 inches, maybe with the thicker ones. I would do 12 to 14 just to have a little bit more slack there. I don't know why, but this is 11 inches on the little ones as well. So that's how you make your backpack. You can fill it with some 3x3 cards, and even that one opens and you can put some little things in there. So I'm filling mine with little 3x3 thank you cards for the teachers, and we're going to meet the teacher tonight. Hope they like it. Thank you.